I say, oh, this looks so. You understand? And the girl come out and show the gift and everything. You get me? Text and everything. You know, if you see it online. Right? Dirty blood clot TikTok police can't style me because TikTok police are no body. It might no blood clot body. Broke no blood clot. He can't style me. He can't style me. I have nothing for nobody style. And then the drunk have no blood clot, nothing for nobody style. I come talk about guy yard. When we did it yesterday to blood clot, did you not talk about guy yard? No man fuck with no blood clot. You fuck yourself with me. You hear? Oh. Yeah. No, it was a plan. Let me tell you no, it was a plan from all along. The plan was because him end up never get for where call it, he want come back on top. So I was him ticket meal. Me did I meal for him go on top. You understand? Yeah. Look here. Look here. Go down at the other girl, go give the other catty her birthday gift and whatever. Everything come out per line. And I say it. Right? Me didn't go left yesterday, you know. Right? And this man make sure say me no left yesterday, you know. And me get up now and me say, brother, me dey on the live, you know. Alright, me talk to me people, me no say nothing, you know. And this man I come style me, I come talk about me for come out time place, you know. Brother, when this man give me the money, make me left clot body, you know nobody. I want for house that. Yo, make him give me money, make me go me yard. I want money for go me yard, brother. Go me yard. I want money for go me yard, brother. Yeah, blood clot, no because house that house look on you. You stink no blood clot. Fuck yourself with me. This a blood clot house, you come talk about house. I rent blood clot B&B. You come style blood clot people. That a car, piece of dirty blood clot, something the way you drive a car. So you beg me my money about to fix car, me make sure no say me not have blood clot give you. Oh, me not give you. Style blood clot woman, your man gonna wishy-washy like I don't know what to say. Oh, me get my things them. Me get my things them. You think I'm not blood clot sensible? I come beg money for come do this. I come talk about want money for fix car. Eh? You think like what? From yesterday, me pick him up, you know. Me say from yesterday, me pick up everything. Me pick up it from before yesterday. You understand me? Me no come here so me no say nothing to no. Drunk come talk about guy yard. That shit, this a yard, yeah, boy, better be come give me my things, because if ever raise you not remember me tell you, you're sorry. Oh. The things them in our house, I want them. Let me say me can open that door, yeah. Let me say me can open that blood clot door, yeah. So that shit lock the door, man. After that dirty boy, man, the boy lock up me clothes them in our house, you know, Father God, me hate that nigga, yeah, you know, me hate that nigga, yeah, you fuck. Me hate that boy, yeah, me God know me hate him. If you ever make me whole of my vengeance turn towards you, the man lock me lick off that piece of door, yeah, you know. Boy, you want money for fix car and crash it blood clot last night. You fucker, you. Bang out the piece of old car. I don't know if a car that look like a Herbie. Look like a Herbie. But what my clothes them? Show man. Yo, I lock this idiot lucky door with my things them in night, you know. I don't know what I come up here for. I swear to God, I don't know what I come here for. And not come off. See there. I kick you, I go kick it in. Instead I'd come out. I just want my things them for go. Me have on some clothes for my body. Me just want my things them. Me say yesterday this look nasty magic a come out him a beg me money for license and insure car. Me look on him from head to toe cause me I wonder who him attack. You understand me? This look dirty me no know if I say. Because me end up that them send the message them come give me from the girl. Yesterday him left and go away. Him keep on a go away and me keep on a pre-mode. And when me take a sack and find out said him a go down a one girl yard. The girl send out all of the message them. You get me? By the girl gift yesterday. You get what me I say? No, come tell me no happy ever after no day I saw. That me I tell you. No happy ever after no day I saw. I want me close them. Hold on. Morning. Oh, you can't read that, so?
I know really, I did that today because she needs to cigarette.
Oh, okay.
Alita, you know what I'm this morning?
Upon this thinking boy, I can tell people for God them yard. Wonder if I yard this look like a blood clot shop. But you say come out of my shop. Think like, you know, see a Airbnb me go. Or when I no door, me know a nice place. I come talk about God yard. But you say come out of my shop. Come out of my shop. Think like. You can't style nobody a clothes you look. That's why no found no man fuck you up. Hey boy, me not done with it. I want left out of your turf. And next me I go chat. Me not done with you. I want left out of your turf. You know how long me I read you up? Me tell you, you know, me is a styler. You don't know me. Me a styler. You see you use for views. Boy, me get pan you for views. Remember me tell you, me take cocky, me no in love. Know that sex is sex. You can enjoy motherfucking sex. If you never know about you. My marriage. Pull the door, make me get my clothes left out of this blood clot, yeah. Like see this house. Come, hurry up, pull this. Let me get my clothes. This blood clot all snake, man. Guys, me not no daytime now. Him now pull the door. I want my things them. I want left. I want left. I want leave. I want left. Yeah, this a mix up one and don't go. Here's a mix up Ross. Guys, so much I don't care on my life. Come off. God know. There's always a TV I keep over here, so I always remember that. I want my things them. I just my things them. I want. Italian wagwan. Don't play one match with me and keep me calm a little bit. Do my nerves are kick. My nerves are kick Italian bad. My nerves are kick. Talk to me, tell me something. Reason with me. Say something to me.
What's up? How are you? Good morning.
Good morning, Italian.
How is your morning doing? Mr.
Not
Han?
good, Italian. Not good. No, I can't eat. I can't eat.
We go fry egg and sardine. What?
Egg and salt. No, so that too raw.
Feels good.
Me eat egg. Me take a egg, Italian. Give me a bite. No, give me a bite. Alright, now me change all my mind. Give me a bite, please. Thank you, baby. Murder.
I go cook later, you know.
Hey, I cook.
Anything you want me to cook? Alright, now a long time I eat some steamed fish and crackers.
Ooh, and I do like that. I love steamed fish.
Yeah.
You say you're a good chef?
Ask the chat.
Chat, my good chef?
Ask him, me living in a baby.
I lie.
Yeah, cool.
Guys, in a double tap. Me really want to move my focus. Honestly, me don't want to in nobody place and get in a problem. When I know say me have a temper, me I try ease down my temper. Me just want to go on my turf. Me have to go on my turf now, guys. You can't depend on people turf. Right? What?
I live in Skimo, Cedarwood.
Which part that? Which way you live?
I live in Portmore, Cedarwood.
Oh, Portmore. Okay, that's nice.
Yeah, when you come at the gate, I just call the security and said, let him out from the police.
Wow, okay, nice place. I love the environment. Very beautiful.
And it's quiet too, you know, baga and then something there.
Yeah. Guys, don't catch your speed for me now, please. Guys, him now what me do. Me just want to close them. God.
I like your breed look nice. And the other day I want to tell you about, I never get the chance to tell your breed look nice. Wow.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, thank you so much. Guys, thanks. Thanks for the speed and everything.
Me I look out for some more YouTube video for me, you know, for me subscribe and me there and wait.
You know, so I go home like maybe by night evening such. So you're gonna get new video by tomorrow.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Yeah, definitely.
And you see the one in the blue bar too.
Big man come open the door now.
Inside.
See there some man. All I want him do is to open the door. I take out my things then. I just want to get them. Go out so. I know say somebody will come for me. And some me know people will come for me. You understand? I just want to close them.
Where
I'm
there?
just up a bag of nice. Me they are popping.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's get something and go up on the other side. Me easy for go home. I have so much people come for me. I not for worry myself. I just want him pull the door and give me my clothes them. That's all I want. Big man, me know something did wrong, you know. Italian, I no fear business. I know so you know a woman intuition like you can feel things.
What happened? What happened?
Big man, me and the youth there, me and the man there, cause I'm a big man. And at first, you know, everything good. But now second half when I come up here, I start feeling negative energy but my whole on. From one night I see him I go where I go where. What do you like gone? Him gone left me in a house so long. You get me? And me I pray to me I say, why him left me in a house in a dark so long? One girl come out per line now and the girl send out a whole I message them. And him go link the girl.
Why him do that? Jesus Christ. Why would he do that? Do that. Some man a real waste man in a youth. And then them a call themselves gallus.
And such people, I want blood clot video shoot. I really pops make him did it still. But me and the man not link. It's the reason why I cause a slime. You see what I say? So not give that no name. You see it? So I don't feel like say me and no man and a friend. Me and no man and a friend. You see it? Just I make you know. What Mika there? Mika no dey my fucking yard. She no dey my yard. What the fuck you ask me about her for? She no dey my yard, bro. She's not at my house. Tap up my screen there, tap up my screen, tap up my screen. Destiny say you breed him. How are the bumbo clot? Guys, yo, to them people. I want some mix up, man. I don't move on no bumbo clot self fire, so I don't so fucking mix up like a me and me like it too. But anyways, Annie, I'm not gonna disrespect you none tall because I'm not gonna disrespect you none tall, Annie. You're such a great woman. You're such a wonderful, nice woman. But me know who want this. Anna, I want this. Yeah. That's so good girl named Anna want this. Big stinking so good girl. I mean make your blood clot. Me know Anna, me see one no bad mind me no Anna. No bad mind me. Me see it. Me see it, Anna. Me see it. Anna, me see it, Anna. Let me tell you something, Anna. It just sin because somebody with our life I like, you know. Make it up. don't really want this, my sister-in-law, you know. All of you work together and try together to come together as one. You see, some of know how all of uno split up and do one bag of thing. You see it. You don't know if a bad man me because me get a better man than your man. Me no know, but that they don't put off. So you know if a bad man, you win. Anyways, Anna. I really don't know what to say about you, you know. I swear to God. Keep me, cause Jaden, no. Can't go do that, my father. Anna. Anna. Me no know what to say about you. I really, me really don't want this, you know. Me really don't. The first girl me see come pan here so on a ball with no tears. How you feel a ball and no tears? How the fuck that? What kind of wicked woman you be, man? How you feel a ball without no tears? Oh! See them? Me start all I get this to pussy clot and no reach nowhere to blood clot. Jesus Christ. Me I hear says this something the me I hear it over and over. Brush wind up in a man bottom and me no so me I forgot put on my socks, my shoes, every bumbo clot thing and put on my track something and run away. This is a sign to run. This is not time for this is not a time for say you come here so you come here so this is a time to run. You that girl about stay. Me say that girl don't love me, no. Me say that person that really don't love me. Me say that you well want me drop down and catch pressure and drop down. Too cute, what go on? Me remember and still, although when I do that, but remember Annie, I remember say make her at 18. She can probably make her own this she want me other. I can't take a mix up right now. Can I take it right now? Me a hypocrite. I love it.
And on my place.
Yes, good morning.
Morning, Jaden.
How am I doing now?
Jaden, I don't like a bag of styling thing when I sip online.
What happened?
I see you have conversation with Rosalie. I see you and to how I see it, it just look like a bag of styling thing. Make a boo, I want to look a girl, a young miss, so she not deserve certain little thing. You understand? So me just say, brother, me not like you.
What me say?
So you know see what you say, Jaden?
No, me
Talk
not.
about your family and Rosalie I tell you some things and wanna have conversation about it. It sound disrespectful.
No,
Honestly.
Rosa talk, I mean, listen. Me, I make she talk.
Jaden, you did it? Yeah, yes, Mika must see 17. You understand me? Uno just start run with that. And uno make video about it and talk about it, which as well. Uno not look on this, I could have
No,
lied.
me
The
no
sister tell on him.
me no make no video. Me no make no video. Me just when them a say Anna 14, me no must get shocked.
14?
Mika no I'm 17. Me no must get shocked.
But Jaden, how could she be 17? My had a son down a house at 17. Or she could be 17. The man a twin.
No, me have to be shocked. Me still have to be shocked. All if me not shocked, me can't act shocked.
Yeah, but a bad mind her sister bad mind her because she said she a come round you. Anna did like you, you know. Me don't know if you know remember say Anna did follow you one good while Anna did like you.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
understand?
me and Anna did a correspond one night time and until me did I call me did there actually make me not get peace of Anna. You see, so but me I say Jesus Christ, that's what me I get this.
Jaden, the man in this freaking come. Alright, no me no want get pan your house. Say here? You're second away for make me get weapon you.
What you mean?
Jaden, me I deal with for me crime over here, so Jay. You understand?
Yeah.
I deal with my crime, God know.
What kind of, how are you?
Jaden, the man go away yesterday go buy a girl gift.
You know somebody if tell you? You know somebody if tell you? Hey boy, watch him with him blood clot face. Watch him in a picture with it girl, boy man. The girl said so and him said,
Yeah, me get the whole of the picture them. But you know a long time and you know make me know. You couldn't even pinch me and make me know a little piece.
no, me just, you know, so me just wake up. Hold on there. Hold on, which episode you reach?
Check your episode now, quick.
Hold on there, Annie, hold on. But that I did for real?
I did for real. The girl sent out a message them. The girl sent out text message. You see the gift for the boy buy me? The girl have it in her phone. Him ask the girl if I this. If he buy for Annie. Like him send the message to the girl and say, I this me for buy for Annie. And the girl say, yeah. Jaden, when me see what go on and me decide for attack him, me say to him say, why you left yesterday go do that and that and that? Man get mad. Him get mad. You know no. Hey, you know no, come out of my house. Me say a house this and see a shop. But you say me for come out of your shop.
When you get back shot in the shop door.
Don't ramp with me.
Alright. Sorry.
A B&B me rent when me up here, guys. Seriously, a B&B me rent when me there.
No, man, no, sir.
Me get B&B up. I stay up at house and me ready to, yeah. But me get me B&B for feel comfortable.
Hey, I want to shop B&B, Airbnb.
Yeah.
When you love say B&B, man.
I mean, so, because I always shop neat and say that.
Yeah, as Jamaican. I saw we do things. We always are sharpen things.
So, Jay, me ask you something. Be real.
Yeah.
You like me, Kabo?
Yeah, me like her, yes, but yeah.
Me Kabo fragile to certain things. A nice young miss. Nobody now go there. Nobody. If you and me Kabo have a relationship, no family now go in it. Not even me. Now because you see me go on so.
You sure? Because every
Sure.
time me always see you check up and I say, you sure?
No, I have to check in. Remember, say I'm a child, you know, and you know you have to check in.
True.
You know, but otherwise, when it come on the personal things, me not supposed to do this.
Yeah. But she fragile in a certain aspect, the truth.
But she young, you know, she this, you know, you have to understand, Mika. It's just that them not like talk them when you make and thing it hurt her and she maybe not want to tell you I miss it too. It look away. You understand?
What kind of talk though?
It make it look like say a styling thing. I saw a thing make it look like a styling thing. You
Oh,
get me?
no, man, no, I'm tell you, no styling thing, man. I just call me a hypocrite, you know?
Me know, man, me too. Yo, like, no, me go away call it, kite go cut off. Jay, me I forget, me I forgot tap up here.
All right, all right.
The place. And I look a bit, Zin.
Yeah.
Alright, baby.
Me now go back. Guys, you know, beg on our wheel, beg on something, now, beg on something, beg on something. Beg on something, beg on something, beg on something.
Blood clot, do nah, she alright.
The big brother.
Yo,
What go on?
yo, from
Yeah.
last night, me sure the girl I post a bag of thing. Me no know what the fuck do the girl, man, the girl ain't nothing. Me all I hear say, me I buy Annie gift, and I take she, and I ask her what kind of gift of why Annie. Every fucking gift I buy Annie upon the live, I buy it. Everybody upon the live know where me I pick out and know where she a go get. Everybody upon the live. No, me I hear say me I text the other ask girl when me for buy for Annie. And
Police.
me cut yesterday and go buy a girl birthday gift.
Police. And I said in your house look like one shop.
Yeah, she
And
can't say anything.
I
She
look at
can't
her.
say
Remember say
anything.
you bless her. Remember say you give her some back shot in
Tell
your
her,
shop. You know.
oh, hold on, tell her, say she not blood clot go back in there. So anything where she have, she better go bumbo clot, you had an idea. I'm more,
Yeah.
yeah, more
Yeah.
me take me.
Because me
I
tell
show
her,
no
you know,
serious. Yeah,
oh
left
you
me a
feel
left
try,
no.
oh you feel try
Left me a
style man
left
thing.
no, me I show no how serious with it.
Yeah. Yeah, like oh she feel try style man thing and she get back shot in her shop. I want to her man.
Yeah, me I show no how serious with it. I left me a left so no.
I want to Annie brother. I want to Annie bro. No do them thing there bro. You can't style man thing. You got bro. Don't style man thing brother. You in a man house little no long. And I call him man play shop.
I do nothing for this that girl yet. And
No, no,
every
this hard. No call her no girl.
she go click live. Me
Jesus
say you see
Christ.
like come house. You see
No
like
call
come
her girl. No call her girl. No.
go back
Gee,
in
it
there.
get too hard.
I say my wicked today.
No call her no girl. Jesus, that get too. I never know I saw you would go so far. But let it talk to my father. So hold on, that girl that we take a picture with, that she I try to set you up, though.
I'm my ex-girl, brother. I'm my ex-girl. Me not buy the girl nothing for no birthday. And me not, brother, me not text the girl or nothing, brother. She wait me about I'm asleep after 4 me come in this morning want to sleep. And she wait me for tell me about bumbo clock girl.
Oh, you know, tell about ex-girl and them thing there. But all for that one, remember say, she must can't forgive her, you know, because remember say she did that text her ex to, you know, one night time, you know, in her bathroom.
Yeah, cut me a cut. Cut me a cut. I'm a deal
Yeah,
with
bro.
business.
Yeah, dog, just, watch it out,
I lock
police.
my all door. Tell her, say I lock my all door.
Yeah, just done with her, police. Just done with her. Because she can't disrespect your shop, so, bro. Are you also?
Yo,
Sorry.
I road last night and meet all the accident nearly dead in a brother. And come on my yard and at least the girl come. Yo,
Oh,
sorry,
God. Oh, God. Left her, man. Lock your shop, bro. Lock your shop, bro. Lock your shop, bro. Can't disrespect big woman or big man like this, bro. We're bringing them house and take, bro, not do that, bro. We take care of you, bro. Bro, lock your shop, dog. Yo, green screen too, bro. Green screen, I might not like it, banana. Green screen. I do want to see a live get banana and them thing there. You see?
up on the Benz.
Watch your road, bro. Watch your road now. Watch your road. Watch your road. You see that bumbo cloud girl, you see police ex-girl, you want a wicked girl. You want a wicked girl and a cloth you look off a man, here? A cloth you look off a man, girl. Where the fuck you gonna post a picture for the girl? I tell you, man. I try mash up a man relationship. You know, say me alone over here try fix the relationship, bro. I want to them people, yeah, man. Brother, lock your shop, brother. That me make you know, you take no farmer disrespect there. You dash out our clothes, them, brother. I'm to you, man.
Yeah, as I say, see there, I left her up there. She need to go home. I'm gonna give me no business. I'm not go through this again. She need to go home.
Yeah, dog. This is better than that, brother.
You know, so the bumbuckler girl down, sir. I post a bag of thing, dog. And mama, yo, you know, some guy rode last night and lick up in something. Nearly dead I rode last night, brother. Bumbo, and nearly dead. And I'm come on my yard after 4 drop of sleep. She wake me up.
Oh, the way you pass. And the way you pass. Every time you back turn, she's up on live with the drunk, you don't know.
Every time I back turn, she's up on live with the drunker. So I say the little drunker I shoot feet. And I say, oh, he must shoot fear. So black the drunker now.
It's about the batty, man.
That me I tell you. That me I tell you. Fuck she I go on with, brother. And I make it look like me fuck up.
Tell me one last time. Tell me one thing. You have to meet young, you know. You from a big man? That girl,
yo, she for chat to me, tell me say, yo, you know, say me, before me even show her last night, me I show her.
Are you young?
When the girl they live and I put up my picture and baiting me, I show her, me I say, baby girl, watch her. Watch her. I show them see we happy. Yeah, bro.
How was she?
So the same.
What?
Yeah.
So, this.
And look how long me and she stop link, dog.
So one time she left country and you think about she
Yo.
You're right, you know?
Yo, she get mad up there.
You see?
And I this all my place. I lock my door and left it up there. She need to go her yard. Yeah, I that me, I'm a head. Yo, I'm a head trick now. You can't come and come go like you want bumbuck like this, my place.
More shop.
I yard and she not see me back. She not see me.
More shop. More shop. Brighty. More shopping. Yeah, Brighty.
Her yard.
After how much back shop, put another shop there.
Oh,
she Brighty.
Bumbuck like she forgot her yard. She not get nothing. I that me I tell you now. You can't come this place. Eh?
What kind of big disrespect that dog?
Yo, she don't know my mother, you know. She don't know my mother. She don't know my mother none at all, bro. And my mother it is for cheap and she don't know that.
Yo, suppose your mother hear them thing, bro. I call your old shop. What do you think your mother gonna say? Big disrespect that dog. Tell her, bro.
Yo, no there, so in the chat, Becuz, tell us if I go home, here. Yeah, tell us if I go on home. Yes, I'm there, I'm not leave from here, because here I go, I don't want no vibes with that. Me there, so she there, so go on her yard. I'm tell her already, I don't no money for give her for go home, I don't no money, she need to find her money and go home, I have no money. The money I have, a sheet spend pan, and the money I have, a sheet, I shoot for her. Bro.
So your money done? Your money done?
Hold on, I'm there. And
if your money done, that's why she a go answer to.
No man, I'm there. I'm going to go up on the live and be people send me a bag of thing. Right, I wish you tell me, say, yo, you need to start shoot for me, you know. Right, you see them there and I shoot a couple things for her. And when I time I stay and lie down, she take out my phone and start shoot for herself. You see me, I'm not find nothing wrong with that. You see me, because I'm a woman. And here she tell me now, say.
Your house a shop. Bumbo clot! What a wickedness! A big disrespect that my father. Me not take them disrespect there. One, yo, bro, you see some father disrespect you can't take. But you see that disrespect you big.
Him know we not rich, I get to you, man.
Tell the man say I get to you, tell the man say I live up to tell the man say I get to live there.
Guys, use a chip here, guys. Use a chip here. Use a chip here. Use a chip. Mad man, you take them for disrespect there, brother.
Yeah, my sister have all exam and can't study in a piece for sure. I'm telling you, it done, man. I tell you. They should go on to Lando.
You
They should go on
done?
to thinking Lando where she hide and a chat to every bum buck like me and I go on like man a fool. Yeah, go on to Lando. Me done. Me done.
One
Bumbo.
next. One next. One next. You see that? She I don't talk to Lando. One next. Disrespect that. One next. One next disrespect you have to take, bro. She I don't chat to Lando. That's our next disrespect what you have to take. Bro, me not rate that.
Yeah, they close them. Come get them.
We not rate that you.
Yeah, last night when me I come in. That me I tell you the amount of thing they for made and a bumbo clock girl I come go and like she want get man mad brother. Pick up the car last night, dog. You know our next car. Quick. Oh, my go on.
Yeah, man, beg you something.
Oh, say the way.
Watch out now. Watch out now, police.
Yo.
We are going to add her, tell her your mind, you know, bro.
If you add her, me not tell her nothing.
You have to man up in a dog and tell her your mind, you know, bro. Oh, boy. Him live get. How about him live get something there? Him live get banana.